Okay, Jessica, we are looking outstanding. Quite nice, quite nice. Love it. Okay, all right, looking great. I don't think we need those commas. There's a break there anyway, so just a line break. So there's going to be a natural break in cadence, so we don't need um, those commas. I mean, it's optional. You don't have to remove them if you feel they're effective. Then by all means, leave them. I don't think they're needed. Looking great. Looking great here. Justified type, you do have a couple of unusual spaces. So there is looks like there's a space after that, before that comma there too. You want to check that out. I don't know, hard to say. But based on this and this, I think that might be an extra space there. Also, and it could possibly just be that the spacing that is defaulted by your justified settings. So what I would recommend is you go into the course announcements, and there is a dedicated announcement. I can't remember exactly where it's at, but you'll find it. And it is how to set your justified type. There's a couple of really neat tricks in there you definitely want to take advantage of. You want to try to avoid these kind of unusually large spaces. Okay, the software spaces based on justification, based on the number of characters in the line. And so, therefore, sometimes we get these unusual spaces. No worries, you can just those out. It's really easy. Um, Other than that, I think we're looking good. Great job with your old styles. Good job, good job. Let me just zoom in here. I want to get a closer look at the timeline. Okay. Gosh, I still think I honestly I still think a sans serif would be great here. Just checking some last minute things here. Actually, I just said a sans serif would look good here. This is a sans serif. Excuse me, I misquoted. Okay, just again looking. Looks good. Looks good. Mm. Justified is really, really, really difficult with limited characters in a line. So that's why we're getting these huge spaces. I would left align reg write these. Otherwise, I mean, it's not bad, but there are definitely some unusual spaces um, from the justified settings. So either try to work those out or left align right rag. But that's going to be tough because of the limited number of characters in these lines. Okay, that should be. It looks like you've hung that punctuation, but I would hang it more. So in your optical margin settings, just increase that a little bit. A lot of people say to set the optical margin to the uh, point size of the type, but I think it should be increased a little bit. I like that T right flush in the left margin and that punctuation hanging clear into the margin. So think about that. Um, okay, looking good. Looking good. I saw an all cap somewhere. Where the heck did I see that? Gosh, I wish I know I saw. Okay, I can't really find it, but make sure that you are using all caps where applicable. That quote right there should be hung. That's hanging punctuation as well. Good superscript. Again, hang that further in. Oh, WW2, there it is. That's your small cap right there. That looks like all caps. You want to reduce that. I don't know. It's hard to say with the rendering, but make sure that you're using small cap. Good superscript. All right. Other than that, we're looking fantastic. So just a couple of little fine last minute fine tuning housekeeping, and we're good to go. All right. Fantastic job. Any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.